If you want to make a new mechanic to your game, like grabbing a box, like this, just watch the tutorial. It's pretty easy. Okay, so let's get started. So I have a player, and he can jump and walk. So now we want him to grab a box. So let's add this. First of all, go to sprites, or right click, create sprite, square. You can call this box. Right click, create empty. In this box, add a tag. We can call this box for now. And go back to box and set the tag box. Okay, so we can reset this and add component, sprite renderer, and select the box sprite. You can drag this down. Then the box need a box collider. So box collider 2D and a rigid body 2D. Rigid body 2D. Set the constraints to freeze at Z. Okay, now we want the script, so go to player, go down, add component, grab controller, new script, create an add. Open this up. Okay, in here we need a public transform, grab the detect, and a public transform box holder, and a public float ray list. Okay, so we can save this, go back to Unity, and on the player set the radius to 2. Right click on your player, create empty. You can call this grab detect. And to see this, you can just click here and to get a yellow icon, so you can see where it is. Okay, so something like 0.7. It's fine. Then we also need, let's see, player. We can drag the grab detect here. We need a box holder. So right click, create empty. Make sure this is resetted. And we can set the color for this as well. Blue. You can see this here. Maybe 1.5 is good. You can rename this to box holder. Select your player, drag box holder here. Then we can go back to the script. Okay, so we don't need start. In the update, we need a raycast. Call this grab check. We set the grab detect position and in what direction. We say vector 2.right because our player looks that way. And then my player, when he turns around, the local scale change, so I need to time this by transform.localScale. And then we want the distance, so we make a radius up here. Okay. So if grab check dot collider is not equal to null, and grab check dot collider dot tag equals box, then we can set say if input dot get key code dot g, that's true. We want the grab check dot collider dot game object. So what we say here is that the box holder would be the parent of the box. We can copy this instead. And the position. Because of the rigid body, we need to set the position like this. Because otherwise the rigid body and the player's rigid body can collide and it will be a mess. So this is the easiest way, I think. So we set its position to the box holder's position. So here we need to game object to get the component of the box, and we make this kinematic, so I have no gravity. And else, when we release the button, copy this, we take away the parent, set it to null, and we want the rigid body of the box to be dynamic again. Okay, so I think this is it. Save this and go back. Okay, so we can I will scale this up a bit. Okay, test this out. You see, you can grab this and you can jump with it. So it works fine. If you have the box, I will show you. Where is the box? Here. If you shrink this, it will not work because our grab detect is too high. So keep that in mind if you want to lower it or have bigger boxes. So you can just take the grab detect and drag this down, and this will work. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Bye!